Hello, 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 and welcome back to another episode of Inazuma 11 to Blizzard. Where are we? So Genesis have finally perfected Tab Move, or Dem Move, have they? Yes sir, we should be able to proceed with our plans and schedule now. Ooh, whatever could that move be? Did you see it? We finally mastered it. It certainly took you long enough. Wow. Jesus! Give him some praise! The man calls you father, for fuck's sake. Father, I know you value me as a member of Genesis, but is it all I am to you? Did you say something, Savior? No, Father. Aww. Poor kid. Give him some love, man. Give him some love.
Chapter 9, The Genesis Menace.
Ooh. What, we're going to raid Aliens Academy's headquarters? But it's only chapter 9, how can this be? Is there... Excellent Hurley, no decision, whatever. You're right. So why? But even if you do lack a decisive edge, you stand a fighting chance. I've come to the conclusion that right now, you lot are the strongest team out there. Really? You think we're that good? No. You'll find that out in the third one. No, not yet. You can't be serious. Maybe it's just my edge, but this goes a little on edge. Could she be on edge? Is there something she's hiding? Like how she all of a sudden knows where to go? I mean... That's not good. You should be comfortable facing Genesis. We are the protagonists. We're supposed to win. I will definitely lose. Blog. Info, blog. So it's finally time to head to the ASQ and take a fight to them. Is it just me or is Kozina a little on edge? What could the matter be? How did Kozina know where their HQ was? Something fishy going on. Thank you, Banyan. Asking the real questions. Who's the record scorer? Heartland's a goal scorer. DM's on 21, Frost on 18, Eric on 10. Jude Jane is 5-4, 3. Excellent too. I guess it reset them? Or did he just not score? Did I never score with him? Maybe. Ready, Evans? Good, let's get moving. Let's get right on there. Are y'all here? Good, now we're about to try and infiltrate Aliens Academy's HQ. Hey, where's Sean? Huh? Aww. Why am I still a part of this team? Aww. Even me Eternal Blizzard don't work against aliens anymore. They've no need for either of us, have they, Aiden? I've just become a burden. Aw, come on, buddy. You've not shown your face for a while now, have you? Of course I've not. What's the point? You act like you're scared of the ball these days, Sean. Where's the fun in playing like that? I've just not got it in me anymore. Aww. But what if I could just become you and leave Sean behind? Wouldn't me shot work against aliens then? Would I be able to stop dragging the team down? If I could just become you. Aww. Poor kid. Man has a legit lack of, hey, you're from Aliens Academy. We've been watching you play, Sean. Very impressive. I don't suppose you'd be interested in joining our team? We need a player like you. A player like me, eh? No, Aiden. They're from Aliens. Don't listen to them. Shut at you. Haven't you always wanted to be needed by a team? Well, they said they've needed us, Sean. Looks like your dream's finally coming true. We're going with them. No, that's not what... Interesting. Stop Aiden up, please, anyone but them. I'm all ears, fellas. Let's talk through what you're offering. Interesting. Have you found Sean? No, we can't find him anywhere. Well... I don't recall this in the slightest, by the way. Hey, Early. Coach! Grandma said she saw the dude you were looking for, the one with the white scarf. Seriously? Yeah, it said she saw him wandering off with some guys dressed in black and wearing sunglasses. Maybe there's the ones who threatened me. Aliens Academy? La-di-la-di-la. Time to look for him. No, that's not okay. She just said, oh, well, yeah, he's replaceable. Fuck it, let him go. Oh, I missed what she said. What? Sean's been found in the full picture, Raymond? Yeah, alright, we'll head there immediately. Goodbye, Father. Interesting. He was on an island and they left him on at Ryman. We need you, Sean. You won't get away from us that easily. Aww. Sean. How did he manage to get to Raymond though? That's mad. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Dun, 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 dun. Oh look, the rebuilds are going on. And there's chests! Dun, 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 dun. Hey look, Raymond's all fixed up. Was it total wreck when we left? The government doesn't hang about, does he? I mean... Totally wrecked? Your dudes have had it rough. Mark, look over there, isn't that... That's Sean, alright? Random in the middle of the pitch. Sean! Sean, I'm so glad we found you. We were all so worried about you. Hey Sean, are you okay? Stay away from him, Mark. He's not the Sean we know. His eyes, someone else is inhabiting his body. Hey, are you Aiden? Took that long for the penny to drop, did it? Who's this Aiden guy? He's Sean's little brother. He died a few years ago, but he sometimes appears during matches. Yeah, that's interesting. You took your time. Here to see Alice Academy's newest players, are you? What? It weren't Sean who joined them, it were me, Aiden. Yeah. If you can beat me first, beat him. My name's Aiden Frost and I'm the best striker ever to put on Ramon's shirt. Well. I'd say he already lost because he... Do you not even know how much pain you've caused Sean? Aww, he's just been... I've always been close to Sean. I've seen what he's been through. He's always alone. He's barely been able to crack his mouth since the accident. He blames himself for what happened, for not being able to save his family, for not being Fam! He was what? He was a child. That's not fair that he has that much pressure on himself. He was a kid. We need both of you on the team. He didn't think so. He wanted to be Aiden to be me. So I made his wish come true. Aiden, stop. My head, stop it, Sean. Aww. Why did you shout wait at the aliens? So what? Are you alright, Sean? Alright, sorry, he seems to be back with us for now. We should let him rest. We're your friends, Sean. Whatever happens, we'll be here for you. Aww. That's Mark, alright? Medical facility here. Sean, come over there. Get stuff ready. We need to leave for his headquarters right away. Mark, come and talk to me when you're ready, okay? Let's talk to her in a bit, but first, I know there's just there. And I like items. Whilst we're here. God damn it! Took a bit longer than expected. Made a little mistake. Mark had to pull out the Maj in the hand, and it evolved! So I can't go to school yet. School's still being rebuilt. What, is only the front wall open or something? Oh, more chests. Hello! Fine veggies, and fine veggies again. Wait, if the medical ward is open, then you should be able to enter this building, but I'm not. Which is baloney. Is there any more chests? There's gonna be a battle soon if I'm not gonna go to Sylvia soon, but I wanna see for chests. There's no chest, I guess. Sylvia, please don't let me battle. There we go. I hope Sean's okay. Don't we all? Don't we all? Sean, are you okay? Can we... Okay, he's back out of the medical ward. That was soon. Oh no, him. Hello, Gazelle. Xena's interest in you. Xena's interest in you piqued my curiosity. Did it now? Oh, I see one of you is paying attention at least. I am Gazelle, captain of the Alice Academy's team, Diamond Dust. Diamond Dust? You mean Alice has more teams? And that chance was the last one. If we defeat you before Xena can, Father will realize our true power and award the title of Genesis to us. What are you talking about? Why should I tell you? Yeah, no, he has a point. Yeah, let's do battle, come on. It wouldn't be much of a match if my whole team were here. That's not very nice. Ah! Sorry, you're right. Easy. Northern Impact. Ooh. Flash. So, Sean, watch out for the ball. Ah! Oh, what's happening? Aphrodite! Let's go! This music as well. Best player in the whole fucking show, fam. Aphrodite, are you injured? Oh, no, we're fine, thank you. Hello, Aphrodite. It's been a while, Mark. Who's this? He's the captain of Zeus Junior High. They were the team Raymond played in Full Frontier Finals. What are you doing here, Aphrodite? Have you come to spy on us for Radar? I am no longer Radar's puppet. I came here of my own free will. Victoria, Mark. Hey, look who's there. The Daddy! What are you doing here? And the governor? What's going on? Why is it more surprising to see the owner of this building than to the Prime Minister? What? Oh, well, it was Prime Minister who brought Zeus here. But why would he do that? I promised to help you in any way that I could. So I started thinking to ways to help you defeat Alias. After Zeus were finally free of Radar's clutches and were training by themselves. I called them here today so that you could trade together, but we had no idea this would happen. I know about what happened to you. Fallen gods do not interest me. I am no longer a god, or at least I am no longer important whether I am or not. It is no longer important, yes. Mark showed us that humans can be more powerful even than gods. Wow, I had no idea you... Enough of the big talk. You don't stand a chance against me without your precious ambrosia. What little talent you may have had, you owed entirely to that stuff. We no longer have any need of ambrosia. We have learned an important lesson. Every fall only makes us stronger. We need only get up again and continue to fight. That's... Oh, dude, Aphrodite, I love it. I remember, like, he doesn't join the team, as in Thingy. But I didn't remember he made an appearance in the game. But I'm all fucking for it. Let's go. Aphrodite's holding his own against Gazelle. I don't think Gazelle is playing to his full capacity. But is Aphrodite? This is quite a surprise. You're better than I thought, but still no match for me. Jemani and Epsilon were never this good, even using the Alias Crystal. Alias Crystal? What's he talking about? It is time to repent for your sins. God knows! Let's go. God knows. Booyah. That's Zeus' most powerful move. Is he going to score? He's even better than he was with the Ambrosia. Losing to Mark really did teach him something. Amazing, Mark. You really are an intriguing one. But it's time to end this. All of you. Now. Supernova. It's not a bad move. Everyone just got blown away. Nice. How could they have mastered it so soon? You, Savior. You talk too much, Gazelle. Get out of my way. Did Father order this? I doubt it. Return to base, Gazelle. Huh. I don't think he likes it. Are you okay? This is nothing. This shot just grazed me, that is all. I went easy on you, you know. And I will become stronger yet. Strong enough to ask Father for a chance to earn the title of Genesis. The day you lose to the title is not far off, Xene. I hope you're prepared. Whatever you say, Gazelle. Mark will be waiting for you at the headquarters. Let's both give it our all, Mark, for the things we believe in. I won't betray the person I love. I could never betray him. Is it me, or does it seem like he's speaking directly to Coach Lena? Is he now? Goodbye, Mark. Blast. Got blast. Coach Lena, let's head for the headquarters right away. No, I'm aborting our plan. What? Why? The special move they just performed is called Supernova. It's Alias' most deadly maneuver. I want to. Why use deadly? It's a football game. I want to get their headquarters before they mastered it. If we had done, we may have stood a chance, but not now. How are we ever going to beat them now? What's gotten into you, coach? How can you be so blah blah blah? Yep. Mark doesn't like how she's given up. Come on, team. Remember just a little while ago we couldn't beat anyone. I mean, you also had like half of the players you have now. You had like totally different team, but hey, shush. This is the emotional moment. This training you speak of, can we be of assistance? Yes, this would be the ideal opponent to practice against. I think it's a splendid idea. We did bring them here to help, after all. We have all been looking forward to playing you again, Mark. Not as gods, as humans this time. Thanks, Afrodite. We'd love to play you. Wait, did I get to play Zeus? Thank you. Go on, drink up. Lovely ambrosia. Okay. Scott, kidding. How is everyone laughing? That was a very awkward joke. Zeus used to be our bitter enemies, but now we're laughing together. Maybe we'll be able to do the same with foreshadowing? Let Aphrodite know when you're ready to start practicing. Dude, let's go. Hype. More cutscene. I want to play Aphrodite. Let me get out of cutscene. As it is, a shift is objective. It's highly likely that they are now focused entirely on limiting Raymond. Of course, Raymond 11 are Alice's greatest threat. It makes sense that they would focus on stopping them. They won't be happy until Raymond are out of the way. Also, for the people that wonder when I like make a little fartness with my mouth, like, it's because I like just speaking to. I speak too quick, therefore I eat my words and like start stumbling. Hence why I sometimes stop myself by making a little noise. That's a story about myself there. That's kind of cute. Oh, that's not so much. You're just like me, ma'am, Sylvia. Aww. She was strict but really kind. Aiden and me, we got into a lot of trouble as kids. She was always telling us off. But no matter how cross she got, she'd always make us a nice tea afterwards. She sounds like a wonderful woman. She always told us to be strong. She must be proper disappointed in me now. Aw, no. A good parent is never disappointed. Until you're 30 and still don't have anything to do in your life. Shauna's not in your starting line, I go to friends. Is he still in the... No, he's not. I mean, I might not play him, but at least I'll get him in, right? Oh, he doesn't have a kick at this point, but, oh, he's 31 striking right now, so it's not worked yet. Not yet, at least. Player friendly match against Zeus. Let's go. And I think then I can scout Aphrodite, which will happen before. Get your stylus ready. Aphrodite, fight fair this time. No brush allowed, okay? Fear not. I am strong enough to face you without assistance. Let's go. In before they're level 60, and I am fucked. We'll see, I guess. Oh, this music. Yes, please. Zeus formation. Their levels 41, 40, 41, 40, 38. What's his block? Guard is 65, damn. His 62, 63 shot. I think they're stronger than me. A lot stronger. Damn, fuck. 32, 27. I might need to do some training looking at this. Also, he doesn't have boots on, does he? He does? And his kick is lower than the Oh, yikes. We need to fix that at some point then. Whoopsie. Ow. Kane. Sliding tackle. I mean, Dash Storm would win. The tower guy. So they're higher level by like 10 levels almost. To some people more than 10 levels. And they have higher stats. And that was a terrible pass by me. Whoopsie! Come on, sliding tackle. We win those. A terrible pass, we lose those. Not a terrible per se, but just not good enough. Sliding tackle, Hermes! The Heaven's Time is a really good move. Can't say I'm surprised I lost that. Nolan, oh no, okay. Nolan, go back. If he doesn't use the Heaven's Time, I guess I'm fine. Which also means he can still shoot, which is less fine. You'll see his TP down. The to Axel. Oh, the pass got short, which is unfortunate. The you got this, homeboy. Asteroid Belt. And hopefully no foul, because that would be problematic. It's not a foul, so we can run. We can run. We can shoot. We can get fired up. For the people that saw, like last time, I added a little Natsu thing there, which I thought was cute, from Fairy Tail, my favorite anime. Tsunami Wall. Yeah, I figured I wasn't strong enough. That's why I just wanted Tsunami Wall gone. If we can get past him, I might be able to shoot again. Oof. Okay, warp drive, and then I can shoot. And then his TP should be gone, unless if he doesn't try and catch it. Cosmic Blast. Ooh, together with DM, right person. Cosmic Blast. Okay, let's see, what's this going to happen? Tsunami Wall. I think it stops it again. It doesn't! We got the lead! And he lost all his TP. That's good, that's good. That's what we want. Pathetic worms. Impossible! Yeah, I mean, I didn't think it was possible either, but hey, we got it, so I will not complain. Good job, Axel. Ooh, this could be problematic. Could be, doesn't have to be. Okay, Nolan. Land of Ice. Ooh, she wins! She wins those. And that's why I got her on my team. And not Polyarm. Hey. You know we're winning at halftime. We're in pretty good shape. No more fooling around. And before they were holding back, and now they're gonna go all out on us. And we're burned out, so now the next time is a bit scary. Flame Dance! Which we don't win. Which is fair, because they're fired up. Which is unfortunate. Because now I'm scared. But Kane's too far forward. Sliding tackle. Yeah, now he's gonna do Heaven's Time. I did kind of figure that one out. He does have. Oh, he has Heat Tackle, which didn't luckily win. Stone Wall. I thought it was a 60 TP move, but I'll take 45. That makes it a more viable move. Kane. Let's shoot. Tsunami. 53? Is it only next game that it's a 40 move? Yeah, well. I mean, I'll take it still. It's still like a clear as well. And he doesn't catch it! Because he doesn't have any TP left. Honestly, in like most Inazuma 11 games, get your the opponent's goalkeeper out of TP and you're fine. But that could like take a long time. Definitely if you need like to play extra routes, and then it ends up with them having to switch their goalie, and like you need to get the 5-0. It could take really long. But if it's like a story mode, just get that goalkeeper without a TP. Warp drive! That's a triple as well. Well, it's a double, I guess, but it's a triple in my books. Just for style points, let's score with Fireball Storm. Because that move costs way too much CP in this game, but hey, it looks cool, doesn't it? Bakuret's Storm. Looks so amazing. In Go, they do it with like a spirit, right? So their spirit gets out and... Oh, my sweater fell. Or my hoodie, I guess. Not a sweater. And we're 3-0 up against Zeus. Bet you couldn't imagine that if the final like last time. After the final from last time. Ooh, we got him. Okay, we can do... Inazuma Break again. If we win, which we still don't. Which at this point we never will. Can we win? Because I want to do Inazuma Break. It's a foul. But we tried. Okay, block. Which is doable. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Yikes. Sliding? Nope. Oh. It's Jack again. Stonewall. Oh, the wall. I clicked. I mean, it's still won, so I'm happy. I kind of figured that last time because I had the type advantage as well. Which made me hope I would win. Illusion Ball! If I would have lost against Color Slide, I would have really been very disappointed in myself. Okay, I hope this will land this pass. It's an ambitious one. That's for sure. But it landed! Now we can do Inazuma Break! Let's go! We haven't done this since chapter 1, boys! It's a really cool move. It didn't work against Galileo, but it works against Tsunami, or what? No, Tsunami's our player. Poseidon. Yes, that's his name. His name is Poseidon.
Keep it up, Rhymo!
Yay! Keep it up, Rhymo! Rio! Victory! We failed? Looks like it. Ooh, Tori learns Acrobat Bomber. Isn't it a shot? Does she learn 2 shots? Interesting. Frost is level 38, I need to level up. Bobby and Jack are now level 28. Our team is quite low level, I guess. The Divine Boost could be good. We did a good game for Deets. You too, Mark. Nice, nice, nice. Zeus' aim is up in the sky, right? I don't like heights. Thanks for everything, Aphrodite. No need to thank me. We just want to help you find a way to. We just want to help you find a way to defeat Alias. You certainly found your way to defeat quite easily at the Villa. Oh, come on, Scott. That's low. Use Heaven's Time. Let's go. Served you right. No, apologize to Aphrodite. No way. Let me go. What did you do to me, you big weirdo? How dare you? I can see what you're thinking, you know. Hee. The impertinence. Anyway, Mark, we bid you farewell. See you later, Aphrodite. Can I scout him yet? Because if I can scout him, it would be really nice. Question mark. You're bloomin' good, you. There was some little... something wrong, Aphrodite. That boy, there is something strange about him. It is as if he doesn't know yet his own strengths, or how to use it. Now I see why you felt you were lacking a decisive advantage, Mark. I hope a practice match helped you in some way regardless. Good luck.